What I'm doing here is a oil change on a 2018 Toyota Corolla. First thing we're going to do is open the hood, pull the dipstick out a little bit. I set the parking brake and I blocked the wheels. Next I'm going to take a floor jack and jack the vehicle up and place it on a jack stand. Where these two notches are, that's where we're going to jack it up. Okay, have it jacked up, placed on a jack stand. Okay, I have an oil catch pan here. Okay, we'll have a 14mm, and we'll go ahead and break loose our oil drain plug. Okay, have the oil drain plug out of there. Be cautious, the oil can be quite hot. I'm going to take and remove the crush washer here and install a new one before we put it back together. That'll prevent any leaks. Sometimes you can get away with using it twice, but it deforms quite a bit. It's just soft aluminum. Next I'm going to remove the oil filter. It is a 65mm 14 flute. Next, what you're going to want to do is ensure that the gasket from the old filter isn't stuck to the engine here, because if it's stuck to the mating surface and you put a new oil filter on top of it, all your oil will leak out and ruin your engine. Clean the mating surface off here and we'll prepare our new filter. Okay, I have a new filter here. Before we install it, I'm going to splash a little oil on there and then put it on this gasket here. Just put a film of oil on here and that'll help make it seal better. We'll go ahead and install the oil filter and we'll tighten it by hand to 3/4 of a turn once it meets the mating surface to 1 full turn. Okay, now we're going to install our drain plug here. Got our new crush washer on there. And we're going to just snug it up, and then we're going to put a torque wrench on here and put it to 27 foot-pounds. Now we'll go ahead and remove our jack stand and put the vehicle back on the ground. Okay, next I'm going to grab a clean rag here, clean up the surface here, remove our oil fill cap here. Place a funnel in there, and I'm going to put 4.4 quarts in there, and I believe that's 4.1 liters. I'm going to use a full synthetic 0W20. Okay, I'm done filling it. Take our funnel out of here, place our cap here. And we'll check our dipstick down here. Pull our dipstick out, clean it off. Go ahead and put it in. Pull it out, and then we're going to look for our oil level. It should be between these two dots on here. Sometimes you have to flip it over. Looks good here. So we'll go and reset our maintenance light. We'll unblock the wheels. There's two different types of resetting this. One is off the steering wheel. You would go to your little gear menu for settings, scroll down and reset the maintenance reminder. this type here that has an odometer reset, what we're going to do is put the key in, turn it to the on position that's right before start. Then we're going to make sure that it's in trip A. Now that it says trip A, we're going to turn the key to the off position. We're going to hold this in and turn the key on. I'm holding the trip meter in, turn it to the on position that is right before start. Resetting your data, you're good to go. Turn your key off. I did put a decal in the corner saying when to change the oil again. You can usually pick these up at most automotive stores. They'll usually give you one for free.